The trouble called U1073 in Mitsubishi cars is a communication error in the CAN bus. So basically the car is telling you that it can't communicate with a certain module, and in most cases this happens when there is no OEM head unit in the audio system, or the car dashboard has been tampered with, or there is an OBD2 device installed in the port at all times. Now, the code is actually harmless, and it doesn't mean that something is wrong in the car. For example, if you install an aftermarket audio system, this code will constantly be sitting in the brain of your car, but it will not trigger any warning light or any other problem, so just ignore it and let it sit there. In a lot of cases, owners find this code when they scan their Mitsubishi vehicles because of some unrelated problems or just out of curiosity, and suddenly see this code. In most cases, it doesn't require your attention unless there is something else happening with the vehicle and you clearly understand that a certain control module can't communicate with the car's electrical system. It's a very good idea to just forget about it and let the car live its happy life.